It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise! Hey! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, all she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice our village music. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web. He worked, and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high and the water is splashing so loud, very much all around.
Cuquin Fun Playtime World is the app with all the Cuquin content. Fun for little ones and peace of mind for moms and dads. Download it on the App Store.
Ah. Oh! Baby balloons. Ha! Ball, play. Pelota, pelota. Yay! Ha! Baby balloon, play! Oh. Wow! Big balloon! Play, play! Play? Hmm.